from Heritage School. I am taking class 2 from your SM book. This one division class we will do today. Today we will start from page number 78, exercise 6.6. Firstly, number 1. There is 4 division 40, 56. This is our division sign. 56 will be divided by 4. So 4 is our divisor. Here we know that this 4 is called divisor and 56 is our dividend. And when we start the division, 4 ones are 4. We have to take the less number than 5. 5 is our first digit in tens column. In ones column there is 6, tens column 5. So 5 from 5 we will start. 4 ones are 4. Then we have to do the subtraction. 5 minus 4 left 1. But our division is not finished because in ones column there are 6 is left. So 6 I have to take down beside of 1. So it becomes 60. Now try to remember your 4 timetables. 4 how many are? 60. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 60. Now I have to do the subtraction. 16 minus 16 is 0. 6 minus 6 0, 1 minus 1 0. I can give here only 1 0. Now our division is completed. Here 14 is called quotient. Quotient. Quotient, and 0 is our remainder. So you can write, if you want, you can write and memorize these names. The 4 is our divisor. 56 from the question it will be given. 56 is called dividend. And 14, the result what we got is called quotient. And leftover, remainder means the leftover. So here leftover is 0. How can we write the answer? Quotient Q is our 14 and remainder RE is 0. This is our answer. Number 2 also. 7 is our divisor. 7 divided by 91. So first what I will take? 1 is our ones and 9 is tens. 9 tens. So tens we will start first. 7 will divide by 9. How many times it will go? 7 ones are 7. Now I have to do the subtraction. 9 minus 7 is 2. But our division is not finished. I have to take the 1 down beside of 2. Now it has become 21. 21. How many 7 it will go? 21 3 times. 7 3s are 21. Then subtraction. 21 minus 21 is 0. Same way we will write quotient is our 13 and remainder is 0. This is answer. From 6.6 exercise, we already do number 2 maths. I hope that rest of all math you can solve in same way, same rules. Now, from next exercise, 6.8. Here, our division is same things, but here digits how many? 3 digits. Ones, tens, and 100. So 3 digits is there. 100 space. 585 will divide by 3. In hundreds column, I have to start the 100 columns first. 5. 3 will divide by 5 first. How many times it will go? How many times? Yes, 1 time. So 3 ones are 3. Now I have to do the subtraction. 5 minus 3. Left how many? 2. Next step, I have to take the next digit 8 beside of 2. Now it becomes 28. 3 how many is the tables. 3 sevens are 28. So in quotient I have to write the 7. 3 sevens are 28. Now I have to do the subtraction. 28 minus 28 is 0. But my division is not finished. Next 5 digit I have to write here beside of 0. Now only 5. 5 will divide again by 3. 3 how many is there? 5? 3 ones are 3. There is no 5 in 3 timetables. So I have to take the less number. 3 ones are 3. Subtraction. 5 minus 3 is 2. In this chapter we will get the remainder. So 2 is our remainder. How we will write? My quotient is 171 and remainder is 2. This is my answer. Now next, in same way, this is the rules for 3 digit division. In same way we have to do the second one. Here we can get the remainder or not also. Let me check. First I will divide 2. 2 ones are 2. Subtraction we get 0. Next number 7 will come down. 2 how many is there? 7. In 2 tables there is no 7. So I have to take the less. 3 twos are 6. Minus 7 minus 6 is 1. My division is not finished. 0 left. So I have to take the 0. Now the number is 10. 2 how many is there? 10. 2 5s are 10. The remainder we got again 0. So we will write quotient is my 135 and remainder is 0. This is answer. In this same way you have to do all maths from 6.8 exercise. Now we will do the word problem of division. Next chapter is 6.12. Now we will do the word problem of division. In page now 86, there is written number 4 question we will start today. A fruit seller had to arrange 992 fruits in 8 boxes. How many fruits will there be in each box? Each means here each is 1. Each means 1. So they are asking for 1 box. Total 992 fruits are where? 992 fruits are in 8 boxes. How to arrange for this word problem? They are asking for the fruits. So fruits will be in right side and box we will write in left side. How many boxes total? Total is 8 boxes. So we will write in 8 boxes there are fruits. How many fruits? 992 fruits. They are asking for each box. So in one box, we can give dotted. There are 992 division sign because this is division word problem. Why? Most 8 boxes they are given. I have to divide in 8 boxes. This all the fruits, 992 fruits. So this is the word problem of division. Fruits. Now we have to do the rough. In copy, you have to do in one side, left side or right side. We can do the rough. 8 divided by 992. Same way we will do the division. First 9 will divide by 8. It will go 1 times. 8 ones are 8. Remainder is 1. Next this digit. 9 will come down. Become 19. 8 how many are less than 19? 8. 2s are 16. 19 minus 16 left 3. Next digit is my 2. So it becomes 32. How many 8 4s are 32. So remainder is 0. My quotient will be my answer. Quotient is 124 fruits. In what problem? How can I write the answer? How many fruits are there each box, we will write in each box there are how many fruits we get? 124 fruits. Next number we will do. Now we will do number 11. Let me read the question. There are 688 plants arranged in 8 rows in garden. How many plants are there in each row? So here in this question, 2 elements is there. There is 688 plants and 8 rows. One is plants, another is rows. What they are asking? This question, you have to read the question 2 times. If you don't understand, how many plants are there in each row? Each means we told each is 1. So they are asking for 1 row. There is how many plants? Plants we have to write in right side and rows we will write in left side. So first, from the first line we will take in how many rows? 8 rows. There are how many plants? 688 plants. So in 1 row there are, this is what problem of division or multiplication, how to understand? Because 8 is bigger than 1. They are asking less number. When they are asking less number, we have to do the division. Plants. Now do the rough. Rough must. We have to show the rough. In your copy, left side or right side, you can show this rough where the space you get. 8 ones are 8. We cannot take because 6 is less than 8. So here we have to take 2 digits. 68. 8 8s are 68. 64. 8 8s are 64. 68 minus 64. 8 8s are 64. 68 minus 64 is 4. Next digit is 8. 8 timetables. 8 2s are 60. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. So we get the number. 8 6s are 48. My remainder is 0. So our answer is, quotient is our 86. What answer I can write? How many plants are there in each row? There are 86 plants in each row. So like this way, you have to do all the word problems. You have to try to solve, because you know that now in Bangladesh and the whole world there is coronavirus. So you have to stay at home, and beside of that, you have to continue your lessons also. So don't go outside, play, stay at home. Play at home, inside home, and do the maths also. In exam, you have to solve the word problem of multiplication and division also. So you have to practice. Okay? 6.6, 6.8 and 6.12. So at home, your homework is, from this exercise, you have to do all the maths from your book, lesson book. Okay?